This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, a folding rear seat, and a rear spoiler. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Harold Ziegler Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1260 M89 West in Plainwell.